Hey guys, today we're making a delicious, chunky cream of chicken soup that's keto friendly, but isn't specifically keto. We're gonna start off with 4 onions. You can use white, yellow, red, doesn't really matter. Do a coarse dice on them. Then we're gonna chop up a package or so of celery. Again, just a rough chop is all you need. We're gonna use 6 pounds of chicken. You can use skinless breasts, fillets, tenders, whatever's on sale. It doesn't really matter, just make sure it's white meat. And here's a tip to shred it. Use a stand mixer. Don't stand there for an hour with forks. This just takes a couple seconds on the lowest setting. Next, we're gonna put in 2 sticks of butter to our pan. We're gonna put in our veggies and we're gonna cook these down on medium-high heat. We're gonna add 1 small package of carrots, and we just wanna get these until they're nice and soft. A couple tablespoons each of salt and pepper. We'll salt and pepper everything further later to taste. And put in our shredded chicken. Give everything a thorough mix. And then we're gonna put in 4 containers of your favorite chicken broth or chicken bone broth, which is what I prefer. Then 2 quarts of heavy cream. Give everything a nice mix. We wanna bring it up on high heat to just a simmer. You don't want to full boil it. Simmer it for about 20 minutes. Put in 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum as a thickener, and then simmer again for another 20 minutes. After that, it is ready to go. Now it will thicken up slightly as it starts to cool, so don't worry if it looks a little thin in the pot. As soon as you put it in the bowl and give it to your family, it gets very chunky, thick, and it is full of flavor. You do want to season it in the bowl with a little bit more of salt and pepper to taste. I like mine with just a couple shakes of each, and it is absolutely perfect. See you next time.